Hello students, we are discuss about our poem going on the looking class. We are discuss about the first part of the poem in our previous classes. So we are discuss next the last line in our previous classes. A woman needs to accept the man's admiration and praise for her body. Next, while in the bathroom, while in the bathroom, while in the bathroom, she should look at the perfection of his limbs. She should, she should look, she should look at the perfection, at the perfection of perfection of perfection of her his limbs, his limbs. मैन के लिए है लिम्स यानी अंग. His eyes reddening under the shower. His eyes, his eyes, his eyes. This description about the man. His eyes reddening. His eyes, his eyes reddening. रेडनिंग यानी लाल होना. अंडर द शॉवर, 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 हिज अंडर द शॉवर, his shower across the bathroom. His shower sidewalk across the bathroom, across the bathroom, and his sidewalk across the bathroom floor, across the bathroom floor, bathroom floor, dropping towel and dropping towel, dropping towel. You know Kamala Das is a very French poet. So he writes about the women party and men party. These are the things that these are the things that these are the things that a woman should look at. These are the things that a woman should look at. Woman should look at. Woman should look at carefully, look at carefully as they make him, as they make him, as they make him, as they make him. These are the things that a woman should look at carefully as they make him, as they make him. Her man, however, make him, her man, make him, her man. इसमें पॉइंट है वाइफ को अपने हस्बैंड के लिए बोल रही है मेक हिम, हाउएवर, हियर अगेन द हाउएवर, however, here again the however, here again the however, here again the dependence, dependence of women reflects, dependence of women reflects, women reflects, the line symbolize the fact, the line symbolize the fact that the line symbolize the fact that the woman needs a man, that the woman needs a man, in order to please her body, in order to please her body, in order to please her body, the woman should give her womanly traits, the woman should stanza third, ये पोयम का स्टैंजा थर्ड है। द वुमेन शुड गिफ्ट हर, द वुमेन शुड गिफ्ट हर, द वुमेन शुड गिफ्ट हर वुमेनली ट्रेट्स, ट्रेट्स यानी सिम्टम्स, सिमिलर वर्ड इन हिंदी लक्षण, टू द मैन लाइक द, टू द मैन, टू द वुमेनली ट्रेट्स, टू द womanly traits to the men men like the scent of long hair, men like the scent of long hair, men like the scent of scent यानी fragrance खुशबू, scent of long hair, scent of long hair, scent of long hair, the musk of sweat, the musk of sweat, the musk of sweat between the breast, between the breast, the musk of sweat between the breast, the warm shock of menstrual blood, the warm shock, the warm shock, the warm shock of the warm shock of menstrual blood, menstrual blood, the warm shock of menstrual, the warm shock of menstrual blood, and all your endless female hunger, and all your the women should give womanly trait to the men, like the scent of long hair, the musk of seed between the breast, the warm shock of menstrual blood, and all your endless female hunger. And all your endless female hunger, and all your endless female hunger, the lines depict how superior is the woman. The lines depiction depict how superior is how superior is how superior is the woman how superior is the woman to a man woman to a man as she possesses ample qualities यानी प्रचुरता, जो महिलाओं में जो गुणों की प्रचुरता है, एम्पल क्वालिटी विच आर ए गिफ्ट फॉर ए मैन, एम्पल क्वालिटी विच आर ए which are a gift which are a gift for a man which are a gift for a man which are a gift for a man but these qualities ultimately become 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 the tools of exploitation become the tools of exploitation hence being a woman hence being a woman is a blessing is a blessing in disguise in disguise अप्रत्यक्ष कृपादान disguise and all your endless female hunger the lines depict how superior is the woman to a man ये लाइन इस चीज को चित्रित करती है कि वुमेन किस तरीके से मैन के लिए इंसान मानव के लिए सर्वश्रेष्ठ है ऐसी परदेश एम्पर यानी फिरचूर एम्पल क्वालिटी फिरचूर गुण विचारे गिफ्ट होंगे जो कि एक मानव के लिए गिफ्ट है बट इन क्वालिटी अल्टीमेटली ये गुण जो कि पोएटिस हमें इसके पिछले पैराग्राफ में बताया था लेकिन जो महिलाओं के लिए गुण है अल्टीमेटली बिकम द टूल ऑफ एक्सप्लॉइटेशन ये जो उनके गुण हैं सुंदरता वगैरह ये ही शोषण के हथियार बनते हैं इनसे ही शोषण होता है पोएटिस का बोलने का मतलब यही है हैंस बीइंग ए वुमन इज ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्कस हालांकि जो चीज़ें हैं ये प्रत्यक्ष रूप से महिलाओं के लिए कृपा दान है प्रत्यक्ष रूप से देखा जाए तो ये सब चीज़ें किसकी जड़ है एक्सप्लॉइटेशन की शोषण की लेकिन अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से ये ईश्वर का कृपादान है द पोएट अगेन रिपीट्स The poet again repeats the beginning line. The poet again repeats the beginning line. The poet again repeats the beginning line. Oh yes, getting a man to love. Oh yes. Oh yes, getting a man to love is easy. However, as the love love is not everlasting. However, is the love of however is the love is however as the love however as the love as the love however as the love is not love is not everlasting. Love is not everlasting. Love is not everlasting, and thus living without him, and thus living, and thus living without him, and thus living without him. Afterwards may have to be faced, may have to be faced, may have to be faced. The dependence of woman thus leads to her misery. The woman became a walking corpse. Afterwards may have faced. The poet again repeat the beginning line. जो पोइटिस है, जो शुरू में उन्होंने कहा था, वो यह गेटिंग ए मैन टू लव इज इजी. एक इंसान को, एक मानव को, एक पुरुष को प्यार करना आसान है. हाउएवर फिर भी एज द लव इज नॉट एवरलास्टिंग, जबकि प्यार खत्म नहीं होने वाला है, इटर्नल है. एंड दस लिविंग विदाउट हिम आफ्टरवर्ड, और वो उसके बाद भी, आफ्टरवर्ड मतलब बाद में, आफ्टरवर्ड में हैव टू बी फेस, जो उसके बाद में भी उनको जो सामना करना पड़ता है प्रेमियों को, उसके बारे में कोई बता रही है. द वुमेन बिकम्स ए वॉकिंग कॉर्प्स, चलती हुई लाश. द वुमेन बिकम्स ए वॉकिंग corpse. Walking corpse, चलती फिरती सब लाश, डेड बॉडी. हर आइज क्विस्ट फॉर हर मैन, हर आइज क्विस्ट, हर आइज क्विस्ट फॉर हर मैन, while meeting strangers, while meeting strangers, the ears like eyes long for the voice which one called her name and praised her body. The body of the woman which used to get pleasure with man ultimately has to suffer without him, इसके बिना नहीं रह सकता. While meeting strangers, स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर ये आपकी समरी खत्म हुई. इससे आगे हम पोयम भी पढ़ेंगे जब कॉलेज शुरू होंगे. अब केवल समरी, जिससे आपकी जो राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस है वो अच्छी होगी इससे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.